Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you people are doing great. Friends, today in this video I'm gonna review about a product, and the product is from Cureskin. I'm gonna review a face wash from Cureskin, and here is the package, how it looks. And if you open this, you'll get a face wash. And here is the face wash. It's from Cureskin. Let me first start reviewing this. Later on I will show you the demo also. This Cureskin face wash is of 100 ml. And when you open this is a foam disposing pump, and the face wash inside will be of foam texture. And guys, this Cureskin face wash is paraben free. It doesn't have any kind of chemical. If I want to say the smell of the product is not fragranced, or it is not so harsh, it is so mild. It's a kind of medical or medicine smell, but yeah, it's not so harsh, it is mild. Okay guys, let me tell you the main part why we should use this Cureskin face wash. If you have pimples or dark spot, if you have any pores, impurities over your skin or dead cells, then this face wash is useful. This face wash also makes your skin smooth and glowing. You can use this face wash twice a day, once early in the morning and at night or evening. Friends, this is worth of 430 rupees. You can buy this product via Cureskin app, or else you can also buy in other e-commerce services where you will get discount on this. You'll get less than 430 rupees. I'm also using this product and the result is so good. And let me show you the demo now. And that's it for today guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. If you haven't followed me on my Instagram page, go ahead and please do follow me, because I'll be super active on Instagram. So please do follow me on Instagram. So thank you so much guys.